Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody
Bobo's
stand
stuffed
in your way.
oat bites. Vegan and gluten free? Wow. Hey, Mike Foster here. You know, this is an episode of Mike's Tries, and I'm going to try these Bobos. These are really healthy for you. Everything's organic. They're oat-based. They're supposed to be a healthy snack for you. These things have only 50 grams of sodium, like a couple grams of protein, couple grams of dietary fiber. Here's the story. Listen to this. On a rainy afternoon in 2003, Beryl Stafford and her daughter, Bobo, baked oat bars, and they soon became a Boulder, Colorado favorite. Since has made them national. And I'm going to try this flavor. This one's it's supposed to taste like an apple pie. You can look at it. It looks very, very Bobo-ish. Let's open this baby. It smells really good. Cinnamony. I can smell some apple in there. Just take a bite. Look at nice apple. You'd think there's more fiber in it because it tastes very fibrous, but chewy. You can taste those oats. Guess what? I like Bobos. I think it's a good healthy snack. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same Bobo name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Maybe instead of sweet Babu, I see sweet Bobo. Not bad.